Fullest, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So, as you guys have read on the title, today I'm here to do another AliExpress wig unboxing. I'm in the living room, so please do not focus on the background. I'm filming with daylight. It's pretty late at night, and because we're in the summer right now, so we have like a longer day, shorter night. So, but that's the reason why I'm like, let me just use this opportunity to just film this video in the living room because there I have more light. So I picked this new hair from AliExpress. The hair I picked up is 14 inches. It's like a body wave curls hair that I picked up. It comes in just this plastic bag, random AliExpress, this plastic bag. And when you open the bag, you don't really have a lot in here. All you have is you have the hair company and a net. I wish they could send like the dark brown because I really like that dark brown, but this is what they send me, and instructions on the hair company and stuff like that. But I'll put all the links in the description box. If you guys are interested on this wig, I will put the link in the description box. The first link in the description box, please check it out. If you have any other question, you can let me know in the comment box. So the wig came in the normal first bag I show you, and when you open it, you get the hair nets, and this is what the wig look like. It's saying there 14 inches. I think this one is 180 density or 150. I don't know exactly, but I will put all the information for you guys in the description box. So when you open the packet, this is what the wig is looking like. You have this net. It's, of course, it's a black short wig. You guys know I love black wig. And this is what it's looking like. It's like a body wave. I don't know, body wave curls. I don't know. But it's like really, really nice. I love it. I'm not going to wash it. I really want to install it right now because tomorrow I have somewhere to go and I wouldn't have time to be installing wig. So I thought, you know what, let me just use opportunity to install this wig this night. And so tomorrow I don't have to be thinking about installing. The wig is already plucked. They already pre-plucked it for you at the front. But if you're somebody who is like really good with plucking wig, you're an expert, you can do it. You can definitely go ahead and manipulate it to the way you want it. But for me, this is perfect like this. I'm just going to put some foundation and just adjust it and then fix it like that. So this is what the wig is looking like. I think it's 180 or 150, not too sure, but I'll leave it for you guys in the description box. And I really love, this is 14 inches, and I really love the curls. I really love it. So the wig is this wig is I think this is 13 by 6. The lace fronts 13 by 6. So you have like a lot of lace inside the wig. First, you have a little bit of lace at the back, you know, just a little bit of lace at the back, and then you have also lace at the front. So let me just flip the wig over so you all can see what it looks like. So this is 13 by 6. So the 13 by 6, you do have a lot of lace at the front, so you can actually style, like do a mini pony if you want to. You can manipulate the wig. You can go like for a really deep side part. That's one thing I love about the wig. It's really nice, and it comes with 4 adjustable combs. You have one in the center, one here, each one at the side, and then you have one at the back, and then it also have an adjustable elastic. You can also put another elastic band if you want to for extra protection, but if you're going to glue it into your head, I feel like there's no need for extra elastic band, because sometimes when you put glue and you have the elastic band, it can be a little bit too tight. If you want to, I used to do that a lot with my wig. I would put extra elastic band. The reason why I will put extra elastic band is because sometimes when I want to wear wig and I don't feel like, I don't want to glue it down, and I'll use that extra elastic band to make like a protection. But for the days that I'm like going to really glue it down, I don't use that extra elastic band. I kind of adjust the elastic band to make it a little bit looser. So yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this wig, but because I'm not an expert when it comes to wig installment and showing you guys how I install my wig, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install the wig, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished result, because I'm not really expert when it comes to installing wig. So I'm just going to install the wig and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks and how I style it. So this is what the wig, the price, I can't remember the price. I'll try and put the price here, how much I paid for it. I can't remember because I've got this wig now for a while. Actually, I ordered 2 wig. I ordered also another lace front wig, like which one is bob wig, but that one is not yet here. It's coming very soon. So this one just arrived a couple of days ago. I thought, you know what, let me just give this a try. Something new, let me just wear it and see, because it's also black. Like, I don't know, I love black wig. And I've already braid my hair all back, as you guys can see. Even though the braid is not perfect, let me show you guys the back. Even though the braid is not perfect, but you know, it is what it is. I already just braid my hair, and I'm going to put some cap on top of it, make it really nice, and then put the wig on and then just style the wig. And when I'm done, I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. So stay tuned for me showing you guys how I install it and how it looks on me. I'm just doing this today, and then tomorrow I will do makeup, so I don't have to worry about doing makeup, getting ready, doing my hair, just to minimize the process. So I thought, let me just fix this wig this night. So tomorrow is going to be all about just do your makeup, put on your outfit, and then you're ready to leave the house. So that you don't have to spend a lot of hours doing hair, makeup, and stuff like that. So Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really, really appreciate it. So stay tuned, and I'll be back to show you guys how the wig look on me. Okay? So Team Fullest, I'm in the bathroom. I'm trying to fix the cap on my head. I'm using the Got To Be spray. And I'm also going to use the hair glue I got from AliExpress. I really like using that glue, especially when I want the wig to last for longer, because the Got To Be spray, if you only use the spray, the wig, when you're taking shower, it seems to come out too quick. So now that I've fixed the lace, and I'm going to take foundation. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation in espresso. It's a little bit too dark for my skin, and so now I use this for my wig, and I really, really love it. So I'm just going to take that foundation. I'm just going to rub it, not all over, but like where the lace will stop, you know, because the lace, the wig that I bought this time is 13 by 6. So 13 by 6 have a little bit more lace than the wig 13 by 4. So I'll just want to have like enough foundation on the cap, so that if I want to style the hair in different parts, that everything will be, looks more natural and seamless. So that is what I'm doing with the foundation, just rubbing it on the brush. And also I also rub the foundation also on the wig just a little bit. And I'm also gonna take the blow dryer and just blow dry it. So after blowing drying the hair, I'm going to take also a little bit of the foundation, rub it on the wig, and I'm going to take some alcohol. I'm just going to clean my edges, just clean my face a little bit, get rid of any excess foundation on my skin, making sure I get rid of everything. And then I'm going to be applying the hair glue that I got from AliExpress. So yeah, and yeah, after wiping that, trying to fix the hair, brush everything backwards so that it's easy to apply. So now I'm going to put the hair. I've already shaped the lace around the ears so that it lays down perfectly and everything looks more nicer. So now I'm going to take this glue that I got from AliExpress. I'm going to add like a couple of layers. So I'm going to like rub the glue in and then allow it to dry, and then put again second layer, rub it in, and then allow it to dry. I think I went till third layer, I'm not too sure, but I just make sure I put enough so that the wig at least could last a week on my head, so I don't have to be thinking of changing my wig for at least for a week. I could actually use this for work, to do other things, so I don't have to be worrying about getting a new hairstyle or wearing another wig. I just want something that will last for a whole week, so that I don't have to be stressing in the morning, especially in the morning when I'm getting ready with the kids to go to work. The last thing I want to think about is making my hair. It's making hair. So that's the reason why I thought this glue is going to be the perfect glue for me, because I really want this to last for at least a week. I want to be able to take this week off the next weekend, like Saturday, Friday evening, take it out and fix something that will also last for the coming week. Because I really do not have time to be playing with my hair these few days. Work, kids, family, home life, creating content and stuff like that. It's really exhausted. Sometimes can be a little bit overwhelming. So if I can find a way that I can make life a little bit easier for me, I definitely say take that road. So now I'm just going to blow it a little bit, and I'm going to put the cap on top of the lace, as you guys can see. Like I said, I'm not really good with it. Every day it's a work in progress for me. Every time I fix my hair, it's a work in progress. I can fix the wig much more better on people's head than doing it on my own head. I don't know why. And also when I want to do on my own head, it takes much more time. I'm very patient because I want it precise. Like I already have a picture in my head of how I want the wig to look, so I have to be very patient. So that's the reason why the video can be a little bit too long. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this to dry a little bit, and then I'll just cut the lace. So as you guys can see, I'm now like trying to cut the lace. I just use scissors to like, so that I can have easy access to cut. And then I'm going to use this brow shaver, the thing you use to shave your brow. I bought this and I like using it to shape my wig and then make it a little bit nicer. I just follow the normal shape, but when you use the brow shaper, it gives you this like a bumpy line. It's not like a straight cut, and that's what I love about it, you know. And I still have to like go in with got to be spray and then lay it down better. But for now, it's okay like this. I'm just going to cut everything, and after that, I'm just going to like cut some baby hair, make it a little bit nicer. But I really like the way it looks. I like the way it looks. I love the wig. It's really nice. I love the shorts, a little bit curly. You can style it. I love the lace. I'm already thinking I'm going for a side part. I've already like been looking for different ways to style it. So yeah, you have to be patient when you're cutting the lace, because you do not want to make mistake. If you make mistake, like you're spoiling the entire wig. So I'm very patient when it comes to cutting the lace and making sure I get everything. So Team Fullest, this is what the wig, I put some hair product in it. So I was just trying to play with it to see how it looks. I used the Andrelon curling mousse and also their big volume. I was just trying to play with it to see how it looks. It's pretty late at night, but I'm happy I'm done with it. So either the product is like really strong inside, and I have to allow the product to like dry properly and loosen up. So that's why it's looking like this. But so far with the baby hair, I did a good job. I just have to like, but this one I'll do it in the morning, like got to be spray around the edges and then tie it. But because it's late at night, I was like, I'm going to bed right now. I'll do that tomorrow. But this is what the wig is looking like so far. It's a little bit wet right now, so it looks very small, but when it gets dry, it's like the volume will come out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did I did a good job? Even though I didn't show you guys from the beginning till the ending how I was doing it. Like I said, I'm not a professional wig when it comes to fixing wig. I just do it on my own tempo, and yeah, I watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube also before I install my wig, and I really like it. I love the fact that it's short. I decided to go with side part. Maybe in the morning tomorrow when I do my makeup, I do everything, I will kind of play with it again and come back and show you guys what it looks like with makeup on. But so far it looks really good. I have to take my glasses on because I cannot see very well when I take my glasses off. But just to show you guys what the wig is looking like, I really love it. Like, I really do love it. Like, it's laying out properly. I love it. I love the curls. It's really beautiful. I do have something like this, but then in longer, like really, I think like 26 inches. So for me to have this one like 14 inches shorter version is really nice. I really like it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned if you guys want to see me with this wig with makeup tomorrow and everything. Just stay tuned. I can't see good, so I need to put my glasses on. Yeah, so yeah, Team Fullest, stay tuned, and thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I'll put a short video of me with makeup and everything so you guys can see how it looks tomorrow. I'll show you guys. Thank you all so much for your love and support. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning, and I'll see you all on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye.